Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 18th of January, 2023. Let's talk about Dogecoin today because with this recent rise, the meme coins may be back on as a signal that price in the overall cryptocurrency space is going to continue to rise. Let's talk about it real quick. You guys can see I'm zooming on the price chart that I did a price prediction in Dogecoin all the way back here on the 4th of January, 2023. I was looking for the price to go up way back then. So I'm not surprised to see the market currently in Dogecoin trade around 8.5 cents. Congratulations to those who's able to back the profit, because that is something that we do here on this channel. You guys can see right there, that was like 20% if you were to get out the market right now, or you guys could have gotten that 13% in our ultimate TP price. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to address and show you all that we are still trending higher in Dogecoin. That's the first thing. And we now know as long as buyers into the market in Dogecoin holds this trend line, guess what? You guys can see that price will always go up into perpetuity forever. So let's go ahead and look at this other thing though that I wanted to show you. You guys can see that the market in Dogecoin is getting hung up right around here. Okay, this is the current area that sellers are in position, pushing down the price in Dogecoin, but we're currently seeing that the buyers are staging another comeback, meaning that they're trying to continue to move this market up. Let me show you all the 2-weekly chart in Dogecoin, and you guys can see that. Okay, cool, we saw a move higher in Dogecoin. I know a lot of cryptocurrencies, all coins have been doing the same thing, and people may be wondering, are we back on to see market moon? Let's pull these things back. Let's relax. Let's calm down. This is just a store. This is just a market, a place where people come together and buy and sell things. Because we haven't even been that far. It wasn't even that long ago that Dogecoin was just trading up here around 9.5, 10 cents. That was December of last year. So you see the market go up a couple of days, and automatically people's mentality switches, and they begin to become a little bit more riskier. I suspect that that's going to happen for the market participants in Dogecoin. So look at this. Like I said, that's why the value of charts is so important, because you guys can see how many times the market in Dogecoin got rejected right here around 9.5 cents. Right there at 9 cents, right? On this 2-weekly price bar back in August 2022, the market got rejected in Dogecoin. Let's go about a little bit further back. May 2022, the market in Dogecoin got rejected. So here we are again today. This last completed 2-weekly price bar did the same thing. So this doesn't mean that we are free selling in the ocean and that there's no waves and no storms coming. We are now knocking on the door to the point where the last time that we was here at this price, market came down. So this is the next test for the buyers. They need to push this market above 9 cents. That's it. Just that simple. So looking at this on the weekly chart, you guys can see that I don't like how the market concluded last week. You guys can see how the market currently is closing off of the highs right here. Okay, and the high amount of volume tells me that there's some sellers still coming into the market in Dogecoin right there. Okay, so let me go ahead and see this on the 3-day chart. Now, looking at this on a 3-day perspective, what I'm seeing here is telling me that buyers are absorbing whoever is trying to sell at that 9 cent level. Now we got 12 hours left. If the market in Dogecoin right here on this three-day price bar close up here at the high of the bar, then that tells us that there's still buyers into the market and that they're trying to move the price up. Okay, it's not done yet, so we kind of got to wait. Here it is on the 2-day. You guys can still see it here. Here it is on the daily. We're still seeing sellers coming into the market in Dogecoin on the daily time frame. So let's talk about it. What do you all think? Is the market still geared to go up? What do you think? To me, I think it is. To me, I think the probabilities is leaning more towards the buyers continuing to move this market up in Dogecoin. So I am going to play that price prediction, looking for the market in Dogecoin to trend higher, but I'm going to put it on pause though. Like, I'm not going to give you all some outlandish price target, because we definitely can tell where the market is getting hung up at. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart real quick. Daily time frame. So let me go ahead and show you all what I'm looking at. So now, if we see price in Dogecoin trend down and go lower, we understand that at some point it's going to happen. But let's say that when it does happen, the market in Dogecoin comes and prop up on this trend line. Like I said, we're just going to look for the price to continue to go up. We don't want to see the market break trend and then break 7.5 cents to the downside. This is what we don't want to see that. Okay. Now this is my first price target though. Right there around 0.092 or like 9.5 cents. Okay, that's 9.87%. My second one's going to be at a dime. I'm not going to move it too high just yet. Like up here towards 11 cents. I'm not going to do that yet. Okay. I want our attention to be here because we need the buyers to maintain that they're willing to come in and buy up this currency and move the market higher from this current area of resistance that it's currently traded in right now. So these are the two lines that's more important to where price is going to tell us where it's headed. Okay, we want to see the market take this area out. But if they don't, then we definitely need to see the buyers hold this lower ascending line. All right, so that is it right there. I want you all to give me your thoughts about how you think the market in Dogecoin is going to trend, where it's going to go. I am done. Make sure you hit that like button, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.